attention. One time for the misfits. Through the doors open on the highway. I promise you don't wanna miss this. They say the good die young, but this is gonna be a long one. I'm brushing the dust off, took the high road for the trust fall, and I'm feeling unlimited. Ay, starting up finishing. Yeah, how can I stop? I'm feeling unlimited. Yeah, they don't know who they dealing with. Feeling infinite, man. I'm too unlimited. I'm too unlimited. I am unlimited. Yeah. I'm feeling unlimited. Ay, starting up finishing. Yeah, how can I stop? I'm feeling unlimited. Yeah, they don't know who they dealing with. Feeling infinite, man. I'm too unlimited. Yeah. Feeling infinite, man. I'm too unlimited.
Doon na nagsimula, friendship talaga. Nag-click kami in an instant kasi marami kaming common traits, common likes and dislikes. Yun, hindi na niya ako iniwan ever. Hindi na niya ako pinakawalan, binakura na.
Ikaw ang aking nakasalubong.
Baby, our moment is finally here. Naalala ko nung unang maglakad tayo sa school, I can honestly say na you've met me on my dark days. And yet, you choose to stand by my side. You helped me find my strength. And through every challenge, ikaw ang aking sandigan.
Pulong kung bakit
Salamat for being with me since day one. Ikaw yung taong nakakilala sa akin from start to end. And ngayon, nag-start ulit tayo ng bagong life natin together. In strength and in weakness, lahat yun nakita mo. Literal yung for richer, for poorer. In sickness and in health natin. 13 years, going 14 years, magkasama tayo. And if there's anything na ipagpapasalamat ko kay Lord ng bongga, yun yung makilala kita.
Langin kita.
Thank you po kasi lagi kayo nandyan at sana nandyan pa rin kayo pala. Thank you so much.
Kalawakan mo ng pagitan.
Our love isn't grand or flashy. It is steady, patient, and true. It's built on friendship, trust, and the quiet confidence that we are better together. I tell you everything because I trust you completely.
Di nakalang darating.
Greatest decision ever ko is yung umuo sa'yo. Yung bigyan tayo ng pagkakataon. Hindi man ako very expressive. Madalas man akong grumpy. Pero gusto kong malaman mo na ngayon kasal na tayo. Never kitang iiwan. Mamahalin kita. Lalong-lalo na sa mga araw na hindi ka kamahal-mahal.
Dalangin kita.
Minamahal kita ngayon, mamahalin ko pa yung mga future versions mo. And naniniwala ako na magiging mabuting ama ka sa mga anak natin.
All of my life, I thought I was right, looking for something new. Stuck in my ways, like old-fashioned days. but all the roads led me to you. The house that you live in.
Today, I vow to continue loving you with the same steady, honest heart that has carried us this far. Your confidant and your partner in all that life has in store. Thank you for always being there, and I promise to always be there for you. I love you.
The lows and the highs, I will stay by your side. There's no need for goodbyes now. I'm seeing the light. When the sky turns to gray and there's nothing to say, at the end of the day, I
Thank you. Okay, short words. Thank you. Yun na yun. Yun na yun. As in, thank you. Thank you sa lahat.
choose you. To the Lord,
Gigising ka sa umaga, matutulog ka sa gabi. Confident ka na sa'yo ako. I love you.
through the lows and the highs, I will stay by your side. There's no need for goodbyes now. I'm seeing the light. When the sky turns to gray and there's nothing to say, at the end of the day, I choose you. Oh, I choose you. I choose you.